What's going on, Wolves? EricEllisJr. here, back at it again with another fire ass video. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make $1,000 per day in 3 easy steps. So basically, how to make 30 grand per month. Is it going to happen overnight? Absolutely not. But if you guys follow these steps, and if you guys implement them, and then you rinse and repeat and continue to reinvest into your business, you can definitely do so, right? Now, first and foremost, when it comes to making any type of money online, how do we make money online? We find a product, we sell the product. Then we go ahead and scale up that business, right? So in this specific instance, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make money with something called affiliate marketing, which is basically when you get paid for referrals, right? Let's get right into the business. Let's stop behind the laptop. Boom, we're behind the laptop. Now, if you look here, it says $1,000 per day in 3 easy steps. Now, the first step, guys, is picking an offer, as stated before, and we're gonna be leveraging something called affiliate marketing, right? So affiliate marketing, you get paid for referrals. Now, what do we want to use? We're going to use something called Clickbank, right? Now, if you don't have a Clickbank account, or if this is your first time coming across Clickbank, what is Clickbank? Clickbank is simply a marketplace where you can find different affiliate offers. So instead of you just searching and doing all that extra stuff, right, you can literally go ahead and find an affiliate marketing place who has all the different niches and all the different products for you, right? Now, when it comes to Clickbank, the three big niches are health, wealth, and romance. In this specific video, we're gonna be covering a wealth product, right? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna create an account. Once you create an account, you're gonna go to the marketplace. And once you go to the marketplace, there's something called, or not something called, I just wanna show you guys an example of an offer. You're gonna need to pick a good offer, which is step number 1, right? So a couple of ways to find out if it's a good offer. If it has a high gravity score, that means a lot of people are selling it. Chances are it's a pretty good offer. Second is you want to go ahead and actually look at the sales material, right? If I go ahead and press this right here, it's going to go ahead, or press the link, it's going to show me the sales material, right? So if you watch the sales material and it looks persuasive, then chances are it sells as well. If it's persuasive to you, it's probably persuasive to others. Last but not least is looking at the actual how much your earning potential is, right? So in this specific one, I literally just clicked the affiliate page and they gave me the affiliate breakdown. Now, if you look here in the summary, right, here's the core offer, which is $47 per month. So not only can you make residual passive income, recurring income, right? So 75% of that, but you can also make 50% of the core offer, which is $97 or $497, right? So here's how it works. The $47 per month will most likely pay for your advertisement, right? Now, how you're actually going to start making profit is with these high ticket back end upsells, right? So 50%, 50%, 50%, 40%, right? So if we look here, the CB passive income, basically it's a one-time offer and it's $497. So literally to make $1,000 per day, all you have to do is get 4 of those sales per day, right? Because it's going to pay you about $250 in commissions. So not only will you start making a recurring residual income, but $497, I mean, 50% of that, $250, 4 of those a day, you're at $1,000 per day, right? So the question is, how do we get there, right? So the next step is setting up automation. Now, I use a software called ClickFunnels, and ClickFunnels, so ClickFunnels, guys, basically what ClickFunnels is, if we look at this, membership sites, order forms, upsells, affiliate centers, automated webinars, and so much more. Basically what it is it's a way to actually set up these little sales systems to automate your sales process, right? So an example of what a sales funnel is this right here, right? We'll actually look at the sales funnel. So here's the sales funnel for their actual thing, which literally you don't have to sell anybody, you don't have to talk to anybody on the phone. You literally get people to this page, and when you get people to this page, they're gonna watch this video, and a percentage of them will actually buy after watching this video, right? And I'm gonna teach you how to get people there automated. But so with that being said, you see this thing that just came up that's asking for the email? What we're gonna leverage ClickFunnels for, and you can find the links down in the resources section down in the description, but the resources section will allow you to literally create what is called an opt-in funnel, right? And it's basically an opt-in page. I'm gonna show you guys an opt-in page, right? Which basically you're gonna put a little page in front of the visitors that you're getting, in front of this page right here, in front of this page, and you can literally use the same headline, and you're just gonna capture capture people's email before they get access to your sales presentation. And I'll explain why that's important in a second. But, so set up automation. Next is driving traffic. So what are different types of traffic, right? How do we get people to this offer? How do we get people to actually buy, right? If we look here, next is driving traffic. So if we go to my little visual representation, here's that opt-in page that we created. The next step is literally driving traffic. Now, some of the most common paid traffic strategies are Facebook ads, Google ads, Bing ads, YouTube ads. Just a quick overview of what each is. Facebook ads, literally, if I'm selling a make money online product, I could literally target people who are interested in affiliate marketing, digital marketing, making money online, entrepreneurship, etc. I could literally display my ads in front of them, get this little funnel, this little opt-in page in front of them, and then once they actually decide to put in their email, then on the next page, they'll get access to the sales presentation. They buy, I get paid a commission. Next, Google ads. I can create ads around specific keywords, meaning make money online or etc. I'm gonna literally, when people type in these keywords, the next step, they're gonna go ahead and get access to my funnel, right? And then Bing ads, the same thing, search engine optimization. You type in a keyword like how to make money online, or if I was in the weight loss niche, how to lose weight. Once these people type in these keywords, I'm gonna be bidding for the specific keyword. So when people type in that keyword and they click on my ad, then the next step is they'll go to my little sales presentation. They buy, I get paid a commission. Last but not least, YouTube ads. If you can step behind the camera like myself, or if you want to just create a video ad, you can literally display ads when people click on it to go to YouTube, or you can literally do interruption marketing and those ads, those pre-roll ads before an actual YouTube video starts, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna find targeted people, we're gonna drive them to this little mini opt-in page. And why we do that is to capture these emails, which is for the bonus step, right? So those are the 3 steps, guys. Pick an offer, set up automation, drive traffic. Boom, you're gonna make money. Now, how can we 10x our return on our investment? And how can we make lifetime customers to actually get much closer to these $1,000 days is with this right here, these back-end offers. Or not these back-end offers, capturing these emails, which will allow us to do something called email marketing, right? Now what's gonna happen is, if we were to break even, right, on our advertisement up front, on the back end, we're gonna get these leads, we're gonna get these emails, right? So as soon as they opt in, they're literally gonna receive an email from me. So even, let's just say they were busy at the time, but they decide to actually open up my email later, that email is gonna redirect them back to the same sales presentation. And if they don't buy that, later on, I could literally market to them different affiliate offers within the same niche that may be more interesting and compelling to them, right? So the series of emails that I will send to them are gonna be value, so I can build trust, so I can build people who know, like, and trust me, and then from time to time, I'm gonna make affiliate recommendations, which is how I can start making money. Now, if we look at the offer, right, all we have to do is get a couple of these sales per day, and we're literally gonna be making $1,000 per day, right? Now imagine if you were able to get 10 sales per day, you'd be literally making $4,000 in revenue per day and $2,500 in commissions per day. So it's limitless, guys. The only thing is focusing on or learning and mastering these right here is traffic generation. The more traffic you can get, the more sales you're gonna get, the more money you're gonna make. And then with that money, you're gonna reinvest that profit back into your advertisement to where you're gonna be able to make way more money, and you're gonna just be able to scale your income. It's crazy, right? Now, if this is kind of a little bit or a lot for you, right? If you guys just wanna know my #1 recommendation as far as making money online, that'll be the second link in the description. So it'll kind of show you how a lot of this is done, and there's a lot more extra training as well. I'm gonna be giving you guys a free course. With that being said, I appreciate you guys so freaking much. If you guys like that video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I appreciate you guys, and as always, EricEllisJr checking out.